So taking over a new project. It's a rental property that people just moved out on. Right now I'm just doing the cleanup. So this is a before video. It's the back corner of the house. Just picked up all that glass. It's like a laundry room. Here's the mess the renters left. It's hard to believe anyone could live like this. Anyway, I've already cleaned up a bunch of garbage, but cigarette butts everywhere. Took the panel off the electric panel. Steps are damaged. More garbage. Kitchen's a mess. Crap everywhere. Garbage. Where to begin? Every surface needs to be torn off and redone. It smells like dog in here. Everything's bad. This is a bedroom. Someone lived here. Renters from hell. A lot of work to do. Can't believe they have a broom. Probably actually looks better on the video than it is. I'm sure there's extensive termite damage. It's my job to fix it. Just trying to air it out with the fan. Kind of funny that they were trying to leave without even telling me. I just happened to see them packing up. And the guy said, "We're going to come back and clean it up before we leave." Okay. Anyway, this is just the beginning. Yeah, our home. They thought it was their home. This is how they treated it. I've already picked up 1,000 cigarette butts and beer cans. if beer cans and if drinking beer and smoking cigarettes makes you healthy, that guy's gonna live a long time. Anyway, I'll get you some more updates as we go.